So one of the things you want to do, basically as soon as you unhitch, is go ahead and just turn your propane on, because once you put the bed down, you can't get the cover off to turn your propane on. So don't make that mistake like we've done. So you'll just pull straight up. Then you just turn your propane on. We have dual tanks. It does not matter which one you turn on. We do have switches over here. So you'll just make sure, see it says the supply and it has the arrow. So we're just gonna turn this one on so we can get through the demo part. And then we typically just put the cover right back on while you're camping. Okay, so come on in and we'll get the stove fired up. So your stove, you've got lights, a light and a fan up here just on your range, just like you would at home. So you turn your light on or fan, depending on what you're cooking. So for your stove, we have 3 burners here in the oven. So your 3 burners are over here. So we will use the front one here. We'll turn it to light, and then just support.
It will take a little bit the first time you do it because it takes a little bit for that gas to run through the line, since we turn the gas off every time. I smell it.
There it goes. So then we can adjust it here. Go. You just turn it off just like any other gas stove. Oven's the same way. You have your pilot push and hold here.
Just spark it.
Turn that one. See it from this angle. Okay.
And then just set your temperature.
Yep. So we typically don't use the oven when we cook while we're camping. If you want to or not, you can. You're fine to do that. But we typically just grill, and there is an outside grill we will show you how to use. Microwave is pretty self-explanatory. Does a great job heating up anything that you need to heat up. Your refrigerator and your freezer. So you got your switches here. We typically leave it on auto. That way it will run off of electric or gas. And then the setting at like 2.5, 3 does a great job. It's not overly big. Hopefully we didn't leave anything in here. But it's enough that you can put like some of your frozen meats and stuff, depending on how many nights you're staying out. So we do try to, when we're transporting, to keep it open. That way it the airflow. But again, if you're heading out and you've got your fresh food in there and keeping it cold, it will run while it's hooked up to your vehicle. So just make sure you get it clipped in there nice and tight. Okay.